This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan jollof rice. You will need 1 large onion, 3 bell peppers, 1 red, 1 green, and 1 yellow, and 4 ripe tomatoes. Also gather 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger for a vibrant flavor base. Finally, have 2 cups of parboiled rice, vegetable oil, and a selection of your favorite vegan protein ready. Begin by blending your fresh tomatoes, half of the onion, all the bell peppers, Scotch bonnets, garlic, and ginger into a smooth paste. Next, heat about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Sauté the remaining chopped onion until it turns translucent and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the vibrant blended pepper mixture and allow it to simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Now, enrich your sauce by stirring in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, a 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable stock powder, and your favorite vegan seasoning. Carefully add the 2 cups of parboiled rice, mixing gently so every grain is thoroughly coated in the fragrant sauce. Pour in 1 1/2 cups of vegetable stock, ensuring the liquid just covers the rice. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or foil, reduce the heat to low, and let the rice steam, undisturbed, for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once the rice is tender and all the liquid has absorbed, gently fluff it with a fork to separate the grains and release any trapped steam. Now is the perfect time to fold in your pre-cooked vegan protein, like plant-based chicken pieces or crispy tofu, if desired. Garnish your flavorful jollof rice with fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for a touch of vibrant color and a fresh aroma. Serve this delicious dish warm, perhaps alongside some sweet fried plantains or a crisp, refreshing garden salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.